Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I was really excited today. I went down to my grow room and I just kind of looked at one of those seed packets and I was like, oh my gosh, all of those bells of Ireland have sprouted roots. And so I wanted to get them into my potting mix as soon as possible. I don't know, because a couple of them actually had green sprouts. So they had the roots and then they were starting to grow the actual cotyledons out. So I was like, well, I'm going to go ahead and take them and put them in the dirt with the root and then cover up that root a little bit with dirt, spray them with moisture, put a humidity dome on, and see if the cotyledons start popping up through the soil. So I had seen this method to germinate the seeds, but then nobody really went on any further to say what to do with the seeds. So I don't know if you could just throw them on top of the soil and the roots would find their way down into it. Maybe you shouldn't cover them up. Maybe that won't give them enough light. If I have a full tray, what I did worked, and if I don't, that was really fast. Like it took 9 days. 9 days to get them to germinate. So I can always throw another bag in the fridge and try it that way if it doesn't work. So I'll give you some footage of that. That was really exciting. I don't think I've ever seen it germinate that fast. So if I actually get plants and they do well, this will probably be the way I do bells of Ireland from now on. But I wanted to hop on here real quick and just give you that update. Sorry for the wet hair, but this happened so fast. The bells of Ireland are already growing in these packets. And they're actually, some of them are getting quite long. So I wanted to jump on because I promised you I'd take you along on the process and just show you. Like, this is like a root growing out. So the very first thing to come out of a seed is the root. So these are the roots of the plant. Do you cover it or do you not cover it? So I think it would need covered. It's a great way to germinate the bells of Ireland. I don't know. But I'll bring you in closer and let you have a look, and I'll take some pictures too. So I'm just gonna take, and any of them that have any white growth coming out of them, I'm gonna stick in my tray. And then we'll go from there. Oh, some of them have grown into the paper towel. So I think I'm just gonna put them in here and then cover up the root and we'll go from there. I think you can cover up the rest of the seed, but I'm gonna make sure to cover up the root, give it some cover and some moisture in the soil, and I'm gonna go through and just pluck them all off this paper towel. I can't believe how many are on here that already germinated. I wasn't expecting that today. So I've already filled one entire tree with these, and I still have quite a few left that have sprouted. Okay, so I'm gonna mist these in and then put a humidity dome on them so that the cotyledon leaves can pop up. And in this one cell right here, I accidentally popped off the seed, the head, and the cotyledon leaves were there. So we'll see how that works. But I'm just gonna put them over on the same heat mat with a humidity dome on top. Oh, and a label. And hopefully they get enough moisture to go ahead and pop up all the cotyledon leaves. There wasn't a lot of information out there about this part, so I just buried the root a little bit and then sticking them on the heat mat. And this one baggie had already filled an entire tray, so I'm gonna put it back though. There were quite a few seeds that hadn't done anything yet. Yay. Anyway, I just wanted to give you that update on the bells of Ireland. I told you I would keep you informed, and I'm doing my best at doing that. And Wednesday is March 1st, which means seed starting mania will begin. So exciting. I'm gonna get my Snapdragon started and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's starting to feel like the beginning of the season finally. That Lysianthus, I know you started in January and it feels good to get started, but now is when you really start your seeds and hope your plants make it and hope you have a good season and all the feels. And so I hope everybody's having a great day today. I wish you all the luck on all your seeds starting, and I hope to see you in the next one. It's so beautiful. Like right here on this hill, we're like tucked in and the sun is just shining on our faces. It's a glorious day.